The last one here is privacy under the settings. When we click here, it gives a message about the privacy and all, and you can select the privacy policy page on your website. You can just click on use this, and that page will be used as a privacy policy page, or you can also create a new page. Privacy policy are very important on websites. Generally, whenever you want to advertise on Google or Facebook, they expect you to have a privacy policy page on your website. This is mainly to inform the users how their data is going to be used. Are you going to use it to sell it to third party, or are you going to use their browsing history to show them retargeting ads? So all those need to be mentioned in here. WordPress by default gives you a privacy policy page which is in drafts most of the time. Let me see if it is there in this category as well. Yes, it is there in the drafts. We can just edit this privacy policy page, and they have you can also visit the view the privacy policy guidelines as well. So here they've given you most of the text which is there, which will be useful for you to easily set up your privacy policy. You can refer some of the third party websites, and they've also given a link which will help you set up your privacy policy. Though it may not be required in some of the countries, however, I would recommend you to have a privacy policy, because if you are planning to promote your website on Google, Facebook, or any other advertising platforms, this page is very important, and you will require to submit this page to those websites.